Hey, it's Tony here at Smart Motors Toyota in Madison, Wisconsin. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Toyota RAV4 Premium, and the color is Lunar Rock with a black interior. Let's start up front. I'll show you some of the features. Moving around right into the center, you can see the grille is big, bold grille. This is kind of a matte black finish plastic grille with a huge Toyota badge. And you can see down on the lower portion, we do have the composite cladding down here. That is very durable and is going to provide lots of protection against dents, dings, scratches, that type of thing. Your headlights are LED headlights, LED driving lights, and then the XLE Premium does come with halogen fog lights. And they too are surrounded by that composite material, which is going to protect them from damage as well when you're off-road. Moving down the side of the vehicle, here's a nice profile shot on the side. Dive in and show you some of the features. Let's start up on the roof. It does come with the roof rail system, which is piano black in color, and you can get attachments at the parts department for bike racks, that type of thing. And then XLE Premium does come with the power sliding moonroof. Now take a look down the side and you'll see that composite cladding goes all the way across the back, up over the wheels, and all the way down the side of the vehicle. It's going to give you great protection, especially if the kiddos throw their doors open against the curb or what have you. You've got some protection there. If they get damaged, those can be replaced pretty easily. Factory mud guards. And the composite material goes up over the wheels as well. Now the tires on this one, these are a Yokohama tire. It's a P235/55 R19, and these are more of an on-road GT style tire, so they're going to ride nice on the road. They'll be okay in mud and snow because it's all-wheel drive, but you can see in the back there they are a wide tire. You can go off-road. You know, if you need to mosey over to the picnic bench at the local park, there's your suspension setup, coil over strut up front. And then your wheels, these are a 19-inch painted. They're kind of a silver metallic painted finish. And then your braking system in there, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, and 4-piston calipers up front. Those brakes, those tires, those wheels will stop you on a dime. Moving around to the back of it, you'll notice that composite material wraps all the way around the back bumper and, just like the front doors, into the tailgate. So when you open your tailgate up, you're not going to damage it if you clip your garage door. Down underneath we have dual exhaust tips, but it is not a dual exhaust system. You can see if I go underneath here that it's one muffler and the tips come out both ends. There's a quick look at your suspension setup. Moving up on the tailgate, here's your backup camera, and this does have rear cross traffic alert, and the badging is chrome, RAV4, Toyota, and XLE all-wheel drive. Rear washer wiper, rear window defrost, and the back window as well as the back door windows are all tinted, factory tinted. It's got a color to match spoiler up on top, kind of a matte finish trim here, looks pretty nice, and the colored to match shark fin antenna for your sound system. Let's go ahead and jump in the tailgate. Start out by pointing out that it is a power tailgate, so you can use your hand, you can use a remote, there's a button up front, or you can swipe your foot underneath, all part of the premium all-wheel drive system, or I'm sorry, XLE Premium package, if you will. Now the XLE Premium does come with the cargo cover, which is retractable, so you can do this, and it is removable. You don't need any tools, just give it a tug like that. You can actually do it with one hand, just like I'm doing. can see the seats fold down 40% or 60%, and they do have the tethers for the kiddo car seats. The back seats, to fold them down, unfortunately you have to reach up in here. I wish they had a handle back here somewhere. They used to have that years ago to pop that down. But to put it down, just push the handle up and then go ahead and just push it forward on the seat and boom, down. You could do a weekend camping in here. You could throw an air mattress in there, unless you're like over, you know, like 5'10", 5'11". I'm 5'7", I could do it. There are tie-down hooks right there, over here, so all four corners, and then there's a storage compartment right here and a power outlet there, cargo light right here. This one we ordered with the all-season floor mats, RAV4. It's a really high-quality floor mat, and then the spare tire is all down underneath. There's your jack and your tool kit. So all kind of stashed away underneath there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat and see what we can find. Okay, moving into the back seat, just quickly on the door, there's a nice piece of brushed aluminum trim here and on the door handles, and you'll see that up front as well. Power windows, bottle holder, and a speaker in the door. Here's your seating. These are Soft-Tech fabric seats with contrast stitching. It does feel like leather, but trust me, it's not. Dual cup holders in the armrest, and you can also put that up. So with that up, you could fit 3 adults back here for a short ride to Milwaukee or what have you. In the center console, there's some rear vents, and there's some additional power ports down here as well for your smartphone and those devices. 3 seat belts across the back. Here's something that's nice about these seats. They actually recline a little bit. So if I bring that up like so, notice here, and just push back, that's more of a upright, straight upright position. You can see it's about another 2 or 3 inches upright. But then if I want to go back further, I just pull on this and I can recline it back a little bit further. So a nice added comfort feature, I guess you'd say. Let's go ahead and boogie on up front and I'll show you what I can find. Okay, moving into the driver's compartment. Power windows controls are here. They're auto up and down all the way around. And here's some more of that brushed aluminum trim with the door handle. There's a bottle holder there and a speaker right there on the door. The driver's seat is full power, forward, backwards, up, down, power lumbar support. Passenger seat is not. And then these are your Soft-Tech fabric seats with the white contrast stitching, adjustable headrest, as well as adjustable seat belts. Let's jump in and I'll show you what we've got. Okay, taking a look at the engine. This is the standard 2.5 liter 4-cylinder 16 valve gasoline engine. This engine produces 203 horsepower and has a combined fuel economy of 29 miles city highway. The gasoline version is connected to a traditional 8-speed automatic transmission, and then this one, of course, is all-wheel drive. Now, the transmission, the all-wheel drive system, the engine, the warranty is 5 years, 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. There's no deductible. And then the vehicle itself has a 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty. And of course, all Toyotas now come with Toyota Care, which takes care of your basic maintenance for 2 years or 25,000 miles, no deductible. So that's your 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive premium edition. And once again, the color is Lunar Rock. It's available for sale right here at Smart Toyota. A great package. I love the fact that it has the Soft-Tech seats, has power sliding moonroof, those beautiful 19-inch alloy wheels, fog lights, heated seats. Nice ride. Available for sale right here at Smart. Thanks for watching.